Hello everybody to the next episode of Tom's Computer Channel. This is the second episode of the C64 series. In the last episode we built the power supply for C64, and before we can take a look at this C64 we have to build a video cable so that we can anything see on the screen. So let's have started. So welcome at the bench. For this build we need this material, the scart-connector, the vga-cable and the 8-pin DIN connector. That's all we need. And we need some pinouts, the material list and the address to the pinout I put in the description down below. Also, if you want to see, I put the link for the power supply build also in the description. So let's start. First we cut off the VGA connectors we don't need. Then first we start with the scart-connector. So this one, no, not this one, this one. There it is. So first we strip the wires. See, we have a lot of colors and we need only 3. If you can see here, we need some for the ground, we need 1 wire for the audio, and we need 1 wire for video. So in this case I use composite signal. You can also build this with a S-video connector. You can see here. We use the red one, the black one, and the yellow. Can write it here, black, red, yellow. You can cut the other wires off, we don't need. And we strip the wires. and ready to go. The first one, the yellow, this video signal, we put on pin 20 of the SCART connector. Then for the red one, the red one comes to pin 2 and pin 6 of this connector. And this one we make on pin 6. Now we can bend this over. And we put the red one. So, and the last one on this side is the ground. The ground we have to solder on pin 4 and pin 17. It's this one here. Much better. And now we are finished on this side. So, next is the other side. So, and if you've forgotten this, the end of the scart connector, you have to put it later before you put the connector. If you forgot this part before you solder the connector on, you have to put it from the other side. So, the first step is also here, strip the cable. There are the 3 wires, red, black and yellow. We don't need the other ones, you can cut off. On this connector, we need the pin 4. It's this one, then 3, it's this one, and 2, this one. Pin 2 is for ground, pin 4 is for video, and pin 3 is for audio. So then you put over the shrinking tube. And here we make this again. Yep, better, much better than before. And now we assemble this. We can make a measurement before. Continuity mode. Continuity measurements. So. Put one here and one here. Yes. Then we put one here. And this, yes. And we put one there and yeah, well, yep. Now we can assembly the connectors and then we can test. And now it's time. Here we are, it's all hooked up. Here the power supply of the last video. It's untested on the machine. It's only tested of voltages. So we have the right voltages at the connector. So if you want to see that video, I put the link in the description. And here is the video cable that we made in this episode. The Commodore C64 here is for future video, probably in the next episode. And now we can test if this thing power on and if you get the picture. So start. You have to put on the power supply if you want to power up the computer. If you see, it works. The picture is clear. So done. It works. So that's it for this video. If you've seen, it's not so difficult to make a proper video cable. In the next episode of this series, we're looking at the Commodore 64. You have seen it works, so we make a clean, an inspection and recapping. So if you found anything else, we will see. So please subscribe if you want more videos and support the channel. And that's for this. And we see us in the next video. Bye.